Howdy everyone, Robert Bradley here. Hope that each of you are absolutely amazing. Well, today I want to show you what we did to repair our roof. If you've caught some of my last videos, you'll know that we had some bad roof leaks in the RV, caused some massive damage that we had to go in and repair. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the leaks, where they're coming from on the roof, and also what we did to repair them. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't caught the RV restoration project, be sure to check it out. There are several spots like this on our roof, so we definitely have to repair what we can. Absolutely. Looks much better since we cleaned it. Definitely some locations that were concerning. You see all the bubble. This is where probably the ants got in. All the broken seals. But look at here. Completely ripped. We are definitely going to, in the near future, replace the entire roof. However, just so that we can go on our first couple of trips, since we haven't been in so long, this old tape right here held up. Goodness. We put it on 6 years ago. We do have some more of it. So anywhere where it is visibly ripped or peeling, anything like that, I'm going to put this tape. And then we have some rubber or liquid rubber paint that we're going to go across as much as we possibly can of the roof. That's going to save us, hopefully at least get us through the end of the year. If it gets us through more than one, that'll be absolutely amazing. This stuff goes down pretty easy. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect because it's got a rubber, an extremely sticky adhesive backing. Pull the plastic off as you go, lay it down, and I can promise you it is not coming up anytime soon. All right, this is how this stuff works, y'all. So I've cut a piece. It is very, very, very sticky. So be careful when you are pulling off the cellophane or the plastic undercoating. Let's see how good I am at one-handed. Because once it sticks, it will stay. So got that piece cut. I'm gonna force it in as many of these cracks as possible. Once you get that stuff stuck, you can see it is not at all coming up. Alright, so I've patched as much as I possibly can. Even had to get creative in some spots to make it work. This is what we have for our liquid rubber. We bought this about 2 years ago, and Helene came through. We lost track of time, but I guess it's never too late to repair something. So the trick to this stuff, I assume, the easiest way would be to pour it and spread it. See if I can get a nice, somewhat even coat. Y'all wish me luck. It did pretty good. There's a few spots that definitely could use a second coat. I got it a little thick in a couple of spots, which is quite all right. Just extra support for it, right? I would definitely recommend. It went on really easy. It does need another coat. Y'all, this roof coating actually did a really darn good job. Very surprising. Like I said, we purchased it about 2 years ago. Never got around to it. We got lazy. But I highly recommend it. It went in on very easy with a paint roller. The second time I used a trowel so I could put it a little bit thicker. So this does have two coats, one somewhat thin and then one somewhat thick. Maybe I got a little carried away in spots. But hey, if it lasts for a year, if it lasts for 2 years, that is absolutely amazing. Not too shabby, not looking for perfection at all. We were just looking to make sure that the roof was sealed, and this was the most cost-effective way for us currently, especially since we already had that product on all of the seams. So instead of buying more caulk, I just put it much thicker, and that has hardened pretty darn good. As always, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. Stay tuned. My next video, I'm going to show you how we are repairing the interior. We're also got a little bit more cleaning to do. We have honestly, right under 1 week before we actually leave for vacation. I am so, so excited. Can't wait to kind of take this RV out, get some more experience, some more memories made with the family. Definitely got to get that pontoon cleaned up. If y'all see it over there, it is absolutely disgusting. That'll be in a later video as well. But again, thank you so much for watching. Y'all stay tuned for more. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay rooted in who you are, but resourceful in how you grow. There's always a learning opportunity every single step of the way. Take care. God bless you all, and thank you so much. Talk to you soon.